हम्म, हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम सीखेंगे क्रोम डेवलपर टूल, हाउ टू यूज क्रोम डेवलपर ऑप्शंस। ओके, then welcome to Cipher India, where we make complex systems simple. In today's videos, we are going to explore Chrome developer tools, what they are, what developer use them, and the most important steps you should know. Let's get started. So first of all, we visit our Chrome browser. You can use any kind of browser like Google Brave or Safari, Firefox or Edge, Valverde, like this. So visit any website like we want to debug or I will show you example. The probably will go specific bin organization. Okay. Then oh, this is not working. So we can try another website like this. Request. Okay, this is working. Now you should how to open developer tools. Okay, so you can use Windows shortcut key like Control plus F12, or you can direct also go like this. Click on menu bar, then more tools, then developer tools. Okay, then this is network option. This is source. This is console, or this is elements. Okay, we will first intersect network. So first of replace page. Huh. Okay. So we are on this page. This is request URL, or this is the request method. This kind of like in this we will show most of is get, post, or this is also get, this is get, this is get, this is get. So you can see more of like get, post, or another kind of. This is the remote address, or this is refer policy, or this is response address. Um, some of website use when we authenticate, like we are logging or sign up any website. So some of website send JWT token on response headers. Okay, we need to analyze response header. Some of send like this in response, or some of JW token hide in response headers. So we will analyze. This is the request headers for to get, or yeah, this is the accept headers, or content encoding, content type. So this is the response. In this, we can see HTML page. This is JavaScript. Yeah, this is CSS files. What is CSS files? Do you know what is CSS? This is a CSS a type of presentation like this background, or how to playing video, or like this. This is called CSS. Or JavaScript help to run websites. This web API. So first of all, this is page or this is Explorer, or this is with BOC, or this is CSS, or this is JavaScript, this is font, this is images. You can see preview in Salesforce. This is the authentic thing company, like we store our past keys, or This is Mastercard, credit card. We need to use for payment or websites. This is media. This is manifest. This is socket. This is everything the other. Okay, this is source. In this saved data, which kind of data? Hmm. In this store many of like CSS library or design or this is JavaScript app processing. This is console. You can see like this is import is JavaScript, right? Right. Like this, you can give any command. Hmm. This is element. We can edit is the requirements or is the kind of software. So we visit like this. I will show you how to make it. Okay, this is there for putting it. So we first create or authenticate. So we need to sign up or I already I don't have account, so I use the sign up one. This is detecting behavior. How to solve this? The console allow checkers to this ignore this is my email ID. I login Rahul Chauhan. Now I am paging. This is get response or 100%. You can see this is all of find API. What in this step? What in this will I will show you. This is payload. This is parameter. We can see parameter. This is or this is video or this is response. Say this is product ID or we if we made website or anything, we can use this parameter product or name, category, its visibility, project name, app users, stars. Okay. Okay, we will thank you for watching video. We will meet second video. We will show. This is अभी और ज़्यादा नहीं बता सकता मैं क्योंकि अभी ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Cipher India or more videos where we make complex systems. Thank you for everyone.